Good morning. Why is it blurry? Okay, good. Not a bad morning. Not a bad sunrise, I should say. Ooh, look what I just bought. Oh, damn. Friends are here. I have friends.
Saw it, dude.
I saw it, dude. Man, that was so fun. Did I just send you some of those last night?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, that was great.
I put that shit on my story.
Did you get the one with the Terminator?
No. I saw the one where you.
Finally, out of work. What time is it? 8:56. My new watch. Working hella swell. Oh, kill him. Sorry. I'm so bored at this workplace. So glad I'm off. I'm going to Jaden's house, guys, by the way, so tonight should actually be pretty exciting. As long as I remember to vlog. I really want to go get food, but I'm not going to go get unhealthy food because I'm starting a healthy lifestyle. So I'm going to go to Chop Leaf if Jaden doesn't have food. So, try to go to Chop Leaf and be healthy. But Chop Leaf closed at 8. And I just got a text. 1 sec, sorry. Where are you? I'm fucking here. I texted Jaden I'm here. Jaden hasn't responded to me all day. I'm here. It's only a third period.
Hey, Brent, you said you smell popcorn?
Yeah, bro. Oh, I don't know.
You want to fight?
I just told the camera that I was being healthy. like legit, like as I was walking up the steps, like, yeah, I'm trying to eat healthy.
It's butter free, man.
Is it butter free?
Yeah, bro.
That's fucking bullshit. That's fucking bullshit. I have to smell that, man. Then again, it's not very much.
I'm coming back.
Should I cheat or
Do you
not?
want to know what my healthy food was today?
You are you gonna eat that all?
Eat it. Eat it.
Okay.
Eat it.
Brennan, are you hungry?
You fucking bastard. What is that?
Spaghetti.
Okay, I thought it looked like bacon. Yeah, at Jaden's and Vulcan Pets, and there's a good old Easy E poster over there now, which is freaking awesome. That's so dope. Megan's getting into chill, but she doesn't even want to look at the camera because she's so into it. Time to go. Time to leave. Time to leave. That was fun. But I'm tired and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go home. I gotta drop Megan off too. Alright guys. So that's all for today. I'm tired, I'm gonna go to bed. Hope you guys have a good day. Have a good night. Peace out. Love y'all. Okay, that's off. I'm running a little late, guys. Nothing really too much is gonna be going on today. This is not here.
What about now?
That was Freddie?
Yeah, somebody.